Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning all the mathematics short tricks which are required for cracking the competitive exams and for excelling in your school exams as well. So what do we have in this particular video? We are taking up some of the questions of lines and angles. A very important concept called complementary and supplementary angles. So if you know the concept of complementary and supplementary angles, we will be able to solve all these questions which are there on this particular video. So let's take the first question here. Before that, let me tell you about the Learning Loop app. We have launched the app on the Google Play Store. This is the logo of the app. So be sure that you are downloading the correct thing. Learning Loop is the name. This is the logo. You can find nominal costing ebooks, test series and watch free videos also on our app. Just give it a try. Click the link given in the description box here, and I'm sure this is going to prove very useful for all of you. Let's see the first question in hand. Here we have a figure where two lines, straight lines are intersecting, and we have divided this angle into two parts, 21 degree and 36 degree. So we need to find the unknown angles. That means x, y and z. Now if you know the concept of vertically opposite angles, then this is not going to trouble you. And the concept of vertically opposite angles and the linear pair, these are the basic concepts which everybody should know for solving these questions. The angle here, this angle x, and the complete angle, this part, this angle, are vertically opposite angles because they are on the opposite side of this vertex, and therefore the vertically opposite angles are always equal. So what do we write here? This x will be equal to this complete angle, which is the sum of 21 and 36. So 21 plus 36, and therefore the value of x will be, if you add them, it will be 57 degree. So we got the value of x. After that, it is about linear pair. You know what is a linear pair? The two angles which are formed on a straight line, they form a linear pair. And what is the property in case of a linear pair of angles? The sum of those two angles is always going to be 180 degree. So if you see x and y, they form a linear pair. So x plus y will be equal to 180 degree. Now we already know what is x. So we can plug in the value of x here and get the value of y. So 57 plus y is equal to 180, and therefore the value of y will be 180 minus 57, and you just have to subtract it to get the answer. This is 123 degree. So that is the value of y. Now observe angle y and angle z. Again they are vertically opposite because they lie on the opposite side of this vertex. So y and z are always going to be equal because z and y are vertically opposite angles, and y we already found as 123 degree. So z will be 123 degree as well. So the concept of linear pair, the concept of vertically opposite angles, these are the two concepts which are required to crack this question. Very simple, right? Now come to the complement concept. Whenever two angles add up to 90 degree, they form a pair of complementary angles. So if, just for an example, 30 degree and 60 degree, they add up to 90 degree, right? So 30 degree is called the complement of 60 degree and 60 degree is called the complement of 30 degree. So whenever we have to find the complement of any angle, that complement will be equal to 90 minus this angle, 81. So the complement will be 9 degree. Now how do you know that your answer is correct? You add this and the given angle, you will always get 90 degree as the sum, and that's what is the check you have to make in order to avoid errors in such questions. Let's have another question. Find an angle which is equal to its supplement. Now we are talking about supplement. Supplementary angles are the angles which add up to 180 degree. Just like if you have an angle of say 70 degree, then the other angle will be 110 degree, because when you add them you will get 180 degree. So 70 degree is called the supplement of 110 and 110 is called the supplement of 70 degree. So we are asked to find an angle which we can assume as x, which is equal to its supplement. So I told you how to find supplement. Suppose you have to find supplement of 70, you will do 180 minus 70. You will get 110. So if you assume the first angle to be x, then its supplement will be 180 minus the first angle, that is x. And it is given in the question that they are equal. That means x is equal to 180 minus x. So it forms a linear equation which we can solve by grouping the like terms on the left hand side. Very simple equation. We just have completed the chapter of linear equations. So simple equations should be easy for the students. So x plus x is 2x equals 180 degree, and therefore the value of x will be 180 divided by 2, which is 90 degree. So 90 degree is the only angle which is equal to its supplement. Let's see this one. Tell whether the angles are complementary, supplementary or neither. So how do you check complementary angles? The sum has to be 90. How do you check supplementary angles? The sum has to be 180, and neither means they don't add up to 90 or they don't add up to 180. Very simple. You just have to add them, 38 degree and 52 degree. If you add them, you will get exactly 90 degree. And what do you say? What do you call the angles? When the sum is 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. So these two angles are actually a pair of complementary angles. So friends, these are the things which you need to be aware about, you need to be sure about. Basic maths should be very strong to build on that and be strong in the higher concepts. So do share this video with all your friends, do subscribe the channel and click the bell shaped icon for getting the notifications. Thanks for watching this and all the best.